Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. This here is one of two ways to pipe a bathroom group here in Canada. So we have the 3-inch for the toilet come down at 90s over. This is an 1.5-inch trap arm for the tub, and then on the far side is the 2-inch for the bathroom sink. So the 2-inch is the vent. It's a wet vent for the toilet and the tub. So in this case, this is symmetrically connected using a 3x2 double Y. In my opinion, this is the ideal way to pipe a bathroom group. So the vent, the wet vent, will be symmetrically connected. The same place it'll be connected with the tub, and then the toilet will be upstream. So what we'll do now is we will look at the second way to do a bathroom group. Okay, so this is the second way to pipe a bathroom group. So we have our toilet there. Our wet vent comes here. It goes to pick up the sink upstairs. So on our wet vent we have our tub that goes to here and goes down. So our wet vent ends right here. The toilet is vented by the wet vent as well as the tub here. So this is the other way to do a bathroom group using a 3x2 Y opposed to a double Y. Guys, that's your quick tip of the week.